Today, viewers, I will teach you the 4 easy ways to insert PDF files into PowerPoint. Do you want to insert a PDF file in this format? Inside PowerPoint, or this format, inside format PowerPoint, or this format, inside PowerPoint? I will teach you the basic 4 easy ways of doing that. Let's dive in this tutorial. In our previous video, we have done insert tab, master your insert tab in PowerPoint. If you have not watched that, please watch it. Okay, in this insert tab, we have sections. We have tables section, images sections, illustration sections, app sections, link sections, comment sections, text section, symbol section, and media sections. Okay, then we will continue with text section. Inside text section, we have text box, head and footer, word art, date and time, slide number, and object. Okay, you select object, click on object. When you click on object, that is the first method. You want to use the first method now. It's when you select from here, it will enable you to embed. It will enable you to embed objects like documents, files inside the PowerPoint. Okay, do your presentation, or when you are arranging your slides for presentation. Okay, when you click on the object, you will click on Delete from File. You click on Delete from File, then it will appear here. Then you select Browse. When you click on Browse, it will take you to the directory where your document is. My document is in desktop. I will click on desktop, then select my document, the PDF file. Once I select it, I click on it, click OK. Then it will have the document selected will appear in this box. Then now click OK. It will automatically come to PowerPoint. Inside the PowerPoint, you will double click on it. Click now, ask you, do you want to open this file? Say OK. Click on open. It will open the file. Okay, this is amazing. From here you can work with this in your PowerPoint. You can easily copy and do what you want to do in your PowerPoint. This is the first method. For the second method, let's bring new slides. Okay, this is new slide for second method. Second method is if you don't want to use the object method, you can easily go to your file manager. Click on file manager, then go to desktop again, select the PDF file. This one you not select again. This one right click and copy, or you press Ctrl C. When you copy, right click and copy, or you press Ctrl C in your keyboard. Then when you copy, go to PowerPoint, right click and select paste, or on your keyboard click Ctrl V. When you do that, you see it's just like the same method. You open it again, double click on it, click open. It will open the file. You can use it to do what you want to do. Okay, then you minimize it again. Let us select another slide, new slide. Okay, then what you will do is the third method is use of screenshots. It will use of screenshot. When you take a screenshot, it will quickly add a snapshot of any window that is open or your desktop to your document. So before you do this method 3, you make sure that the PDF file, the file that you want to use, is open. Make sure the file that you want to use is open. Okay, don't close the file that you want to. You make sure that it's open in the window side. All right. Then you now go to screenshot. Click on screenshot. It will brought out the files that are open there. Then you click, select the one that you want, available windows, select the one that you want. Then when you do that, it will easily automatically come up. See it here. This is what you use. Maybe you want to use it in your presentation. You can do that. You can minimize it, can make it smaller or maximize it. Okay. Anything you want to do, you can format it. You can format it, you can put border, you can do anything you want to do. Anything how you want to place it, that is how it will come. You can change the color of the border. Anything that you want to do here, you can easily do that. You can format it, you make it fine. But how we will do design, you will learn a lot of things because I will teach you design, how to design. So don't miss that lecture, it's upcoming. Okay, so now you can design it. If you don't want it like this, if you want a particular part of PDF file in your work, follow me to the method 4. Okay, let us bring another new slide. New slide. This is another new slide now. We click on insert again. You select screenshot. But in this case now, I don't want a full screenshot of the PDF file. What I want is a particular part of the PDF file. Okay. So what do? You just click on this arrow button, click on it under image section. You select, you click on the arrow, it will open. When the document that you want to screenshot open, you don't want this method, this is method 3. There you click on screen clipping. Okay, you select screen clipping. When you select on screen clipping, the cursor will change to plus sign. Okay, look at the cursor, it's changed to plus. Then you now select the particular part you want to put in your work. You can select a particular, maybe you want only this part. Maybe for those that are doing presentation, maybe you want to screenshot part of your thesis, part of the article that you have published. You can also use that in your PowerPoint. You just put the particular part you want, release your hand, it automatically come to PowerPoint. Have you seen it? This is not amazing. It's not wonderful. So there is no stress and PowerPoint. You will learn a lot. If you follow this channel, you will learn a lot. This channel is basically for softwares and statistics using calculator or some theoretical aspect too. But what I'm doing is here basically mentioning is softwares. Please don't share this channel to many people that you want. You can format it as we did the other one. You can format it because once you screenshot, it will be like picture. Okay, you can format it. You can put any design you want. You can format it. Anything you want to use, that's what you use. Okay, let me put a particular design. Okay, then here you can fill it with any design you want. You want pattern design, if you want gradient design. Okay, you can put a border, you can format the border. Okay, you can put the color which you have done before. Okay, you can put the weight to a bigger border. Look at this, can make it to a bigger border. Maybe let us select a bigger border here, but you can also format it by putting, maybe you might want it to be dotted line. Okay, look at what you will do. You can design it like this. It will be very powerful in your presentation. Okay, that is it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. A lot of videos, a lot of tutorials will be coming up in this channel. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Share our video so other people will learn too. Thank you.